unexplainable volcano erupted with a sound seems like a big rock had fallen from a high place when ejecting an ash-laden flame reaching to around 4,000 meters tall in the Philippines. And the intriguing part is the flame of smoke freeze and forming into different shapes with massive eyes. Locals were baffled as they've never seen anything like this before, unlike the previous where the voluminous bent flame drifting away. But not this time. Could this be another sign of a major disaster on its way? Just study the footage. You know exactly why the locals were baffled. There's no movement. Look at the shape. It's a sign. JSM here, share your thoughts.